This is the Datacolor SpyderCHECKR 24. On one side, it has 24 sRGB accurate color patches, and on the back side, it has grayscale patches, 20% increments, and a large 50% grayscale patch. Now, this particular side right here, the 50% patch, is especially useful for setting custom white balances on your Canon camera. It probably works the same way in other camera brands, but I'm using a Canon, so that's what we're using. This 50% gray patch allows you to set a custom white balance for more accurate color in the lighting environment that you're shooting in. In order to set your custom white balance, take your card and fill the frame with the card and take a picture. Next, navigate to the shoot menu, number 3, and then scroll down until you get to your custom white balance. Once you select the custom white balance setting, you'll see the image you just took. Click set and then go out of that menu. Next, go to the white balance settings on your camera and scroll to the right until you see an icon that looks something like this. Click it and you'll see the settings applied to your image. And that's it. Pretty simple, but it makes a big difference when you're looking at the color in your photos. If you have any questions, hit me up. Till then, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.